Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kutsianaz and I am from the Department of BS Biotechnology. My roll number is 002. The topic of my presentation is funding agencies for PhD and postdoc in chemistries or life sciences. Introduction. There are many charities and trusts that offer financial help to specific demographics and sometimes very specific needs. For example, there are scholarships for students from particular countries. Some organizations may also offer financial supports for existing employments who wish to begin PhD studies during their employments. Candidates wishing to ask their employer to help fund a PhD must usually explain how their studies will benefit for their personal and professional development. There are a lot of funding agencies for PhD in chemistries, but I discuss the few. Names of funding agencies for PhD in chemistries. PhD funding in UK, Government Funded Research Council, Doctoral Loans, UK PhD Loans, the Wellcome Trust, PhD funding in France, China Scholarship Council, Stanford AZ Fund Fellowship, Foundation for Alcohol Research, HEC, the Welch Foundation, and the last one is Tavas Research Grants. Names of funding agencies for postdoc in chemistry. Schmidt Science Fellowship, UK Research Council, Social Science and Humanities Research Council of Canada, Hans Wurthen Foundation, Tavistock Postdoc Scholarship, Turkey Research Fellowship Program, L'Oreal, UNESCO for Women in Science Middle East Fellowship, Simon Foundation, Seagull Postdoc Fellowship, Life Science Research Foundation, Beckman Institute Postdoc Fellows Program, and the last one is the Jan Foundation. Funding agencies for PhD in chemistry. The first one is PhD funding in UK. In the UK, there is a range of funding options for PhD students. Many universities have limited number of studentships or bursaries made specifically available for postgraduate applicants. The amount provided could range from covering tuition cost, covering living cost, or simply covering cost for textbooks and research materials. Government funded research councils. The government-funded research councils provide tax-free bursaries which include tuition fee and the stipend of around 1,500 euro or $15,000 or over per year for 3 years. Doctoral loans. Doctoral loans are another popular way of funding postgraduate study in the UK and allow you to borrow up to $25,000 for your courses fee and living cost, paid in 3 installments throughout the year. The next is UK PhD loans. England and Wales have recently introduced doctoral students loans. These will be worth up to 25,700 euro. UK students can apply for a loan to study the PhD anywhere in the UK, provided they are ordinary resident in England or Wales. The Wellcome Trust. This trust is for the researchers in the chemistry. They support thousands of people around the world. The trust spends up to 5 billion euro. PhD funding in the France. In France, the French Ministry of Higher Education Commission and Research has specific funds for the research, which they use to provide a short-term employment contract, not tax-free, called the doctoral contract, for the PhD candidates, regardless of nationality. This contract is for the 3 years. The next is China Scholarship Council Stanford AZ Fund Fellowship. This fellowship provides 5 years of financial supports, round trips, international airfares, and visa application fees to selected students. Applicant must first be admitted to the chemistry PhD programs and then apply. The Welch Foundation. It is based in the Houston, Texas, is one of the United States. Provide grants for the minimum of the $60,000 in funding to support research in the chemistry by the full time Applications are restricted to universities, colleges, and other educational institutes located within the state of Texas. The next is Foundation for Alcohol Research. It is a private and non-profit foundation supporting young investigators researching the effects of the alcohol on health and behavior. The foundation fund is approximately $1.2 million in research grants and conference supports annually. HEC. It is a higher education commission. Research grants programs provide financial supports for research in all disciplines of basic and applied sciences. DeVos Research Grants Program. In basic sciences, under which creative researchers in the South working in the field of basic sciences awarded research grants to enable them to purchase the research facilities they need to be productive. The research grants amounts to a maximum of US $10,000 and is normally provided for a period of 1 year. It provides support for research projects in biology, physics, and also chemistry. Funding agencies for postdoc in chemistry. The first one is Schmidt Science Fellowship. This fellowship was established in the 2018 in the partnership with the Roots Trust. This foundation present in the UK. Fellows receive a stipend of the $100,000 for living expenses. The next is Gen Foundation. The Gen Foundation provides grants of the 500 to the 5,000 euros to the applicant from any country studying natural sciences, particularly good sciences, technologies in any country. UK Research Council. UK citizens and residents can apply for full PhD studentships worth a minimum of the 19,037 euro for tuition fees and living expenses. Funding agencies in the North America and the Europe. Social Sciences and Humanities Research Council of the Canada. Canadian citizens and permanent residents are eligible to apply for Social Science and Humanities Research Council of the Canada, that is SSHRC, postdoctoral fellowships which are worth $40,500 a year for up to 2 years. Handsworth Foundation. The foundation awards around 15 scholarships of 100,000 to the 200,000 SEK each year to support a year of postdoctoral research in the science, technology, leadership, economics, or law. Successful candidates have previous research or private sector's experience. Funding agencies in the Middle East and Turkey. L'Oreal UNESCO for Women in the Science Middle East Fellowship. 6 fellowships are awarded each year to the young Arab women from Yemen and GCC countries conducting research in the physical sciences and the life sciences in the GCC country. £20,000 for postdoctoral researchers and £8,000 for PhD students. Tabita Postdoctoral Scholarships. The scientific and technological research of the Turkey offers postdoc scholarships for Turkish citizens working in the Turkey and abroad in the field of natural sciences, medical sciences, and many other fields. Turkey Research Fellowship Program. It is open to international researchers working on collaborative research projects in the social sciences. The next is funding agencies in the US. Beckman Institute Postdoc Fellows Program. The program supports recent PhDs or students in their final year of doctoral study in the fields of chemistry, biological sciences, engineering, or physics. This fellowship provides $54,000 plus benefits and research budgets. Life Science Research Foundation. The foundation supports fellows in the life sciences focusing on training the next generation of exceptional biologists, The award amount is $62,000 for 3 years. The next is Simon Foundation. The foundation makes grant in 4 programs areas like life sciences and physical sciences, established in 1944 by Marilyn and James Harris Simmons with office in the New York City. The next foundation or funding agency is the Siegel Postdoc Fellowship. This fellowship provides 2 years of financial support for a scientist who has earned or will earn a doctoral degree in the chemistry within the United States. Provides $60,000 per year for 2 years of research at one or more non-profit institutions in any country. This is all from my side. Thank you from Huzia Nas.